In this video, you'll learn how to share a template in Notion. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to enable sharing, ensuring that your template is accessible to others. Begin by navigating to Notion and signing into your account. Once you have successfully logged in, locate and open the specific template page that you wish to share. It is important to review the content carefully to ensure that the template is clean and organized. This initial step is crucial as it prepares your template for sharing with others. Next, look for the Share option located at the top right corner of the template page. Click on this option to open the sharing. In this menu, you will find an option to enable public sharing. If needed, make sure to set the access level to view only to control how others interact with your template. After configuring these settings, copy the share link provided in the menu, as this will allow others to access your template. After obtaining the share link, you can distribute it to the intended users. Send the link via email or any preferred communication method. As users begin to access the template, consider collecting their feedback to assess any potential improvements. If necessary, you can update the template based on their suggestions to enhance its usability. If at any point you wish to limit access to the templates, you can easily disable sharing. Return to the sharing option off. This flexibility allows you to manage who can view your template, ensuring that it remains controlled and secure. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.